tissues, used and abused red stream. Drops off its cargo, picks up that wasted dream. Oh, that blue low O2 slides into tiny veins, capillaries to venos, merging into bigger lanes. Heads to the right side, low pressure, dark red tide. Deoxy blood, let it roll. Veins feed vena cava to the atrium. Go right atrium first, stop on the right. Tricuspid door to the ventricle side, to the lungs for a breath and a spark. That's the way we light the dark. Remember this rule by heart. 4 little rooms, 1 engine to start. Right ventricle squeezes, push through the valve in time. Pulmonic doorway into the lung sideline. Arteries split and scatter like branches in the chest. Gas swap in the air sacs. Now that blood's as bright as best. Flows back on the fly, fresh red high, oh high. Oxy blood, let it roll. Pulmonary veins to the atrium. Go left atrium fills like a tide. Mitral gate to the ventricle side. Left ventricle, big strong wall. Shoots that stream to feed it all. Remember this rule by heart. 4 little rooms, 1 engine to start. Systemic outflow, shout it loud, the order at the top like a flag in a crowd. Arteries, arterioles, tissue bed, capillaries straight and the blue blood's lit. Veins, vena cava back once more, right atrium waiting at the door. Say it, don't forget, pulmonary's a lung circuit. Deoxy blood, let it roll. Veins feed vena cava to the atrium. Bow right atrium, right ventricle drive to the lungs, then it comes back alive. Oxy blood, let it roll. Pulmonary